So many money, I have 20,000. I beat you.
Edi wow. I have 1,000. Okay. How about this?
Books elevator.
About
Do. Finish it. Finish.
okay.
How about holiday? No, this. Oh, this. This shopping.
I wanna run up.
Ay, mag-get kayo minsan niya. Mag-get kayo. Bahala kayo. Makikita nyo yung get nyo.
How's this? Like That's me.
People.
I don't want now.
Last. Hi. This boy is so fucking.
Flashlight!
No!
Excuse me, I don't like you.
Wait, just tapos this. Just tapos this! Join us! Join us!
I don't want you!
Fine.
Eh, Yosi niya, si Papi Yosi na.
Ewan ko. Asa dito ka nga? Ang pangit naman kasi, Axel.
What's that?
Ayoko na.
No! I don't like you!
Axel, that's so...
Ganda yan.
Press me!
You're the soda pop. You're the soda pop. Axel, that's ano?
It's not banging!
It's pangit!
It's not!
I don't want... Sige, I don't want you na.
Don't press!
I don't want you na. I don't want to play with you. I live. Dito ka nga, Rod. Dito ka. Diyan ka.
Please don't press back!
I know! Just don't press that this. This. Axel, that's ano?
It's gonna!
How about me? You just don't ano me. You don't gaya me, ha? Gaya me, dali. This. Gaya me. Sige.
I press B!
You don't want me na, sabi mo?
Because I don't...
Wala naman ikaw pinipiling song, Axel. Are you gay?
Why not?
Oh, bakit ganyan song mo?
I like girl.
You like girl? You like girl song?
I like mama and girl.
Oh my god.
Who appears to be an armed vigilante of some sort. Is just as curious about the lead as
It's old!
a pair of handcuffs. During the exchange, it's hard to tell if the man is in his right mind, which makes the fact that he's carrying a fully equipped assault rifle more disturbing. At one point in the conversation, the man orders Jared to get into his car, and at that point, Jared doesn't want to choose.
Axel, me first! Ay. Si Axel kasi.
Sabi naman yan, ay, batang ingay mo.
Take down. Axel, gaya mi naman. Hindi puro ikaw. It's unfair. You're so unfair.
I don't want to.
Two.
Jared demonstrates the part where he got into the car out of fear that the man would freak out if they didn't actually do it. Use of the video explained that the cops took an hour and a half to get here. Disturbingly, when the cops finally arrived, and while they were all talking, they saw two kids go up to the factory the same way Jared had, at which point the man looked at the cops and ran in the eye and said that if he saw the kids inside the factory, he was going to shoot them. Unfortunately, that's exactly what happened. As Jared was being taken to the police station for trespassing, the cops got a report that two kids had been shot at his house. Thankfully, it turned out that the man was nothing of his weapon, and was only put up with one of his headlights. But still, the kids had to be taken to the hospital to be treated for the wounds. During the investigation, the man was identified as 62-year-old.
Where mabilis?
The reason after shooting at the two kids, he was only sentenced to
The one punching.
Since that day,
I'm not punching.
In 2019, a group of 5 real estate investors walked into a distressed property in the Angora neighborhood of South Lake, Philadelphia. The very look of the distressed house started out pretty ordinarily, but a few minutes later, just as one of the investors was about to walk up the staircase down to the second floor, it was something that exploded his thought.
Ate Chantal, alam mo yung ginawa ng pusa, ginaganon ko to sa spring, tapos pinakita niya yung ano niya, close niya. Natulog na. Sinabi niya, one last chance. Bago niya ako patayin. Nalo, papatayin niya ako. Pinakita niya yung ano niya, close niya.
Ano mo kasi ginagulo?
I'm playing this. I'm playing this muse dancing game.
It's hard to imagine what kind of
And
psychopath
this.
would be trying to house like that, knowing that whoever walked up that flight of stairs probably wouldn't have to deal with him.
Octa
The
42.
was built in a very do-it-yourself kind of way with a rusted knife, some duct tape, some wire, and a clutch. The speed at which the knife was designed to come down right at neck level obviously means that whoever built it wasn't playing around and introducing serious damage. In the interview with NBC, the investor reported the whole thing, mentioning that he was finding some pretty strange things in the distressed house with the other investors. But even though he was